Welcome back everyone to the Audacious Money Witch channel, where we talk about the magic behind the stock market. The stock market game is about finding the right stock and the stomach to hold it through the ups and the downs of the roller coaster ride. So here are some good vibes and positive affirmations to help you set your mind right, and let's get this honest stock video started. I believe in myself. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I attract endless opportunity. I am confident. I deserve all that I desire. I trust in the timing of God. I am so proud of how far that I've come. I truly mean it. In this video, I will show you how to do a SWOT analysis of using the Honest Company. Of course, I will touch on and show you the Q4 earnings. Last year I had 3 home runs and they are all falling at the moment. One of them is Honest stock. I know it's tanking, but don't panic. Don't even worry. I have been covering Honest stock since it was a $1 stock that was priced to be bankrupt. Thankfully, the new CEO Carla and her team shocked the world.
Just among the 3 of us up here, you have experience from Amazon, Estee Lauder, J&J, Nordstrom, and General Mills.
And transformed Honest into the shiny star of a company today. So what is a SWOT analysis? It helps investors understand companies' internal capabilities and external environment to help us make informed investing decisions. You must watch this video right till the end for your benefits. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Let's start with the strength of Honest. You'll love it. I'm obsessed with it. But in this SWOT analysis, I will be objective to the truth. Honest has a strong brand reputation for clean, safe, and environmentally friendly products, supported by Jessica Alba's celebrity influence and loyal customer base. I have great faith in the long-term sales and profit growth of personal care, clean beauty that works. Honest is a niche player in the baby care, personal care, and wellness products market. They have the best integrated omni-channel distribution strategy, including direct-to-consumer, retail partners, and online marketplaces, which drive accessibility and revenue growth. Its market cap right now is about $560 million, following a 35% pullback since November's stock peak at $8.90 per share, driven by high beta stocks' strong momentum. Management team is focused and sharp.
Our focus has been to articulate and advance a stronger business model and a stronger balance sheet to propel us forward.
And the consumer markets for its clean natural products are growing nicely. Also, Honest has an innovation-driven in-house lab which chemists prioritize avoiding harmful ingredients. They have the widest no list of 3,500 plus banned ingredients. They also have product development capabilities. To paraphrase an influencer, personal care is not an overnight success story, but a lifetime obsession. Other strengths according to Consumer Affairs include a consumer-friendly website, fast and reliable shipping, and product variety.
Today we are the #1 natural brand in baby personal care. We're the largest share gainer in natural wipes in the US. Every year we're growing household penetration, the #1 mascara. We do not use any microplastics in our mascara formulas.
E-tail claims Honest has among the best-in-class digital marketing strategy. These factors build a sturdy foundation for growth, which gets a high mark already. Though the stock's 24-month beta is a high 1.31. On Wall Street, JP Morgan backed its overweight rating on the Honest Company. Analysts said that given Honest's pure play focus in the clean and natural space, JP Morgan views it as well positioned to benefit from the faster growth in this end market as consumers increasingly factor health, wellness, and sustainability attributes into their purchase decisions across the baby care and personal care categories. I believe Honest's revenue and earnings are bound to grow. The baby care and personal care industries are vibrant. The consensus among analysts is that we expect Honest to generate a profit in 2025. The CEO's opening statement about third quarter results to shareholders was focused. She declared the goals are to build on the momentum of brand maximization, margin enhancement, and operating discipline. At the same time, I expect baby care products industry to grow by a CAGR of over 6%. The personal care products industry can grow at a CAGR of 7% over 7 years. So Honest has plenty of room to grow. Shareholder equity topped $133 million. There is virtually no debt. Assets of $206 million outdistance liabilities of $75 million. That's a sound strength. Let's get into the weaknesses of Honest. Honest is no longer being advertised directly by Jessica Alba. Consumers have high expectations due to the flawless acting of Jessica Alba and the Honest brand name. Jessica Alba, being one of the largest shareholders, is consistent at selling her shares might put pressure on the stock price. Honest charges higher prices compared to their competitors, limiting affordability for broader markets. Honest has limited global brand market presence, with 92% of revenue concentrated in North America. A lot of Jessica Alba's fans actually live outside of North America, so that's a wasted opportunity there. History of financial losses and ongoing profitability challenges, including a net loss of $40 million in 2023. Honest profitability is a weakness historically. The company has an overall spotty record of EPS beating estimates before Carla in the driver's seat. Lately, investors are expecting them to be profitable going forward. So the expectation is high. That's a weakness for the stock price. Customer complaints about product quality and past lawsuits tarnishing the brand image. What about the opportunities? Ever since the baby clothing was added to the revenue mix, the sales growth started to rise nicely. As Jessica Alba becoming more successful as a Hollywood actress, her brand strength along with Honest will rise. She will have a positive impact on the Honest sales. International opportunity is huge as Jessica Alba is part Latina origin, especially Europe and Asia Pacific, where demand for clean beauty is rising. It's never priced into the stock. There are growing consumer preferences for natural and sustainable products, presents opportunities to innovate and expand offerings. With Jessica Alba on Roku's original Honest Renovation CTV platform, Honest could use the Trade Desk's superior ad platform to improve digital marketing capabilities to reach wider and targeted audiences. Honest stock attracted attention and momentum after its second quarter earnings set a record for quarterly revenue. Marketing Honest brand baby products and wipes drove a higher gross margin. Honest posted an unexpectedly strong Q3 '24 earnings report that beat all estimates, sparking a run-up in the share price since last November. It made everyone want to own a stock, aka FOMO, into the stock, which creates support buyers as the price drops near $5 a share. If you think about it, when the next big blowout earnings comes, the stock might fly even higher to 10 and 13 range. The price hit a low $5.39 during the day before the earnings day, February 25th. 11 of 13 analysts rated the stock a buy or strong buy, and 2 gave it a hold. It is my opinion that retail value investors with a relatively high tolerance for risk could ultimately strengthen their portfolios with a potential buy of the Honest Company stock. I think the stock today deserves a buy. I recently did some buys at $5.47. This is the first time I started buying since the stock reached $8.97 peak. Before Q4 earnings, Honest stock could be slightly overvalued by 50 cents per share, but has a very bright future if the management team keeps the momentum going. I think it is a good value based on price to sales of 1.49x versus the pure advantage of 3.9x. The baby care and personal care industries in which Honest operates are growing and can develop lifelong customers. Stocks with this valuation are not usually what I like for retail value investors, but the Honest Company does not appear to have any significant downsides that will drive down the stock share price. It is potentially a buying opportunity, especially on the dips. Looking ahead, the Honest Company expects full-year adjusted EBITDA of $20 million to $22 million versus a prior outlook of $15 million to $18 million. The forecast was well ahead of consensus estimate of $16.5 million. About 19 hedge funds, on the other hand, owned shares and increased holdings in the last quarter by acquiring over 100,000 shares at an average price of $3.75. 6 others sold their investments as the shares about doubled. Let's talk about threats. Obviously, as a small cap company with just $50 million in the bank, there are competitive threats from big, well-established players with deep pockets. Other high-profile celebrities like Selena Gomez could IPO her rare beauty and coming into this space easily. There are threats that the Honest Company investors may encounter that can suppress stock price advancement. There are issues about tariffs on goods made in China. The plethora of Honest wipes are made overseas. Insiders have to reverse their 2-year-long trend of selling shares. Nearly 6 million in shares were sold over the past 3 months at around $6. A pesky threat that eats away at cash and reputation is legal, and consumer challenges to Honest's marketing claims. Honest claims to design, manufacture, and sell eco-clean, non-toxic, animal cruelty-free, and some vegan ingredient baby care clothing, diapers and wipes, skincare and cleansing products for bath and beauty, makeup, sanitizers, and alcohol, hand and surface wipes. The company disputes charges in class action lawsuits and consumer complaints that were filed over the last decade contesting the quality and types of ingredients used in its products. There are threats, especially with startups. Honest is but 4 years old as a publicly traded company, yet the Honest Company was recognized among the top 100 best-led companies. On top of that, CEO Carla Vernon was also named to 2025 CNBC Changemakers as one of 50 women leading transforming businesses. In the meantime, let's not forget about the economic downturns affecting consumer sentiment, and without a wealth effect of the stock market, people might spend less on premium products. No matter what happens next, I'm grateful for the abundance in my life. I am patient and relaxed knowing it will come. Hit the like button if you want me to do more SWOT analysis in the future.